been about 2 weeks of me wearing this wig as like my everyday go-to wig. The density is not like super thick, it's more lighter if someone likes lighter hair. But I can say the quality of the hair and the lace honestly makes it worth the money. Create some tension. You want tension on this. And I don't like roll back, I just keep rolling forward. Sometimes rolling back gets the hair caught. And I try to make sure I'm getting it to go to the ends. Do a couple rolls, make sure all the hair is in there. And then coming in towards my face. So it's time to manifest by doing house hairstyles.